Hello everyone, this is Dan from Tasco.com, and in this video I'm gonna make a quick demo and explanation of how to set up the promotional raffle. This is a pretty big update. A lot of you have waited for it, and here is for those of you who don't know what the promotional raffle is. It's basically you're promoting your shop with free raffles based on the value of the cart or the value of some categories of products that you are selling. Okay, so what it actually does, all right, so let's say every 3 weeks or a month, you want to give away something for free, for your customers that are buying from your shop, okay? So based on some rules that you have, let's say if someone buys more than $50, um, and you want to reward them, you give them some free tickets, okay? And at the end of the month, based on a raffle, you give away, I don't know, a voucher, a t-shirt, or something else. In this way, you boost your sales, and you know, uh, probably you want to have some sales, some products from a category or anything like that. It's up to you to decide what you're gonna do. So basically, what you're gonna do, you give away some free tickets based on the rules that you have in your promotional raffle. So I set up an example here. So I said if someone is gonna buy from the category of t-shirts, is gonna get some raffle tickets for free. Okay, so I'm gonna say add to carts for them, and I have a promotional product, a raffle product, and what it says, if it's over, I think 20, you get 10 raffle tickets. So let's have a look in here, and I'm gonna go to the promotion and the rules that I have set up. And if I look here, it's gonna say promotion raffle, um, none here, rules. So it says if someone buys over 20, is gonna get 10 raffle tickets. It buys over 50, 25. So in our case, someone bought over 20 and it got 10 raffle tickets. And here it says t-shirts. So it means if someone buys from category t-shirts, it's gonna get 10 raffle tickets. Okay, so we're gonna get through these rules in just a moment. So this is how it works. All right, it was pretty complicated to do all these checks and everything like that. So if the person wants to delete the promotional raffle product and the quantity, they are not allowed. The raffle is going to say you are not allowed to do that because this is a promotional product. You're going to get them for free, and it's going to be in your cart. Okay. If I update this to let's say 50, say 7749 plus. So in that case, the system is going to look into the rules and say, you know what, you deserve more. You're going to get 25 raffle tickets because this is what the rules says here. If you have over 50, you get 25, so on and so forth. Let's have a look at this one. 120, it means belongs to no category. It means if you buy from the shop over 120, you receive 100 tickets because it specifies no t-shirts as category. It doesn't really matter what it is in there. You know what I mean? So let's have a look how we set it up and everything. Uh, so as I said, this thing here is going to be pretty limited. The user cannot do anything in here. They cannot update. If they try to update and say, I'm going to get some free raffle tickets here, the system is going to look into the rules and say, you know what, you are not. Oh, sorry, I put a. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. If I want to do here 29 or whatever, it's not going to allow me to update the promotion product. It's going to come up with the message. So, you know what, this is a promotion we cannot add, remove from the cart. Okay. So what happens if someone is going to delete or remove the t-shirt product from the category? Uh, the raffle product is going to be removed as well. If I'm going to do undo and put them back, it's going to show up both of them as well. Okay. So it was pretty difficult to do all these checks, but I think it's going to work. A lot of people have waited for it, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. We're gonna add more rules for it in the future. So let's see how was the feedback from you guys, how it's gonna work for you, and everything like uh, well, the future is gonna tell how we're gonna do it in the future, in like adding more rules or anything like that. You know what I mean. Um, so for now, let's set up a promotion and see how we're gonna set it up. So first of all, we want to go into the raffles and create a raffle. Um, you're gonna get a promotion for each raffle. Okay, you cannot have more than one promotion per raffle. So we're gonna go into raffles and I can create a new raffle here. Okay, so let's say we're gonna create one and gonna say uh, free $100 voucher. That's the name of it. Okay, and it's gonna start from zero, and leading zeros. We're gonna have three, and it's gonna be v the prefix. I'm gonna say limit, and I'm gonna have 100 tickets. Let's say for this example, we're gonna change it in the future. You can have a start date and end date, and uh, it's the same as a raffle. Okay, you can set up those things, start and end date. It's not going to be added to the cart if you have a start and end date is and the current date is not in the range. Um, so it's exactly the same, but we're gonna do the rules and we're gonna do other things that we're gonna have this set up as a promotional raffle. So it's pretty much very like you set up the raffle the same as a normal one, okay, for the moment. Okay, I'm gonna save it. We're gonna have a start date and end date. But for now, we don't have a product for these 300 vouchers, $300 voucher. Okay, so we want to create a voucher, a product for that, and let's duplicate this one. And what we're gonna do, we are gonna call it promotion raffle free $100 uh, free $100 voucher. Okay, so once we do that, the first thing I want to do, the regular price is going to be zero. We don't change that because this is going to be free. Okay, it's going to be virtual, and we're going to go into raffle settings, and in here we're going to say this is a raffle product. Okay, and this is a promotional raffle product. We have to keep that in mind. Next thing is number raffle tickets. I would recommend to keep it only to one. Okay, if someone has 10 as a quantity, you get 10 raffle tickets. Okay, keep it as a one, don't change it. Also, we're not gonna change the quantity in inventory. We're not gonna change the quantity because we already have the quantity set up in the raffle. Okay, so the raffle is gonna look after it, and the raffle is gonna be 300 voucher. Okay, so we're gonna publish it, and now we're gonna go to our raffles, and we have raffles, and we have the product linked, and now we go to promotion, and our promotion is created. Okay, so we have the promotion here. All right, so I'm gonna disable this one for the time being. Okay, and we're gonna work on this promotion. Okay, so let's activate it first. We say it's active, and then we're gonna say if it's we have 10 above the cart, €10, we're gonna give three raffle tickets away. All right, if we have 20 above 20 in the cart, we're gonna give five. We have above in the cart. For the moment, I'm not including any category. All right. So 30, I'm gonna give eight. Um, 40, I'm gonna give 12, 14. And let's jump to 100. So for 100, we're gonna say we give 40. Um, and save it. For here will be good. I forgot to specify in the products. Okay, in here we can actually do something like in the description. You can set up. You can say the rules. Okay, um, you can say in here. If you buy uh, 20, if you have in cart over 20, you get X amount of tickets. If you have that, we're gonna add in the feature some messages to pick up from the promotion rules, but for the time being, just set it up in here what the rules are. Okay, so let's get back to here, and this is our rules. Okay, so let's get to the shop. Okay, let's go to the shop and remove these two. This is no longer a promotion product. We don't have a promotion. Okay, so we're gonna go back and we're gonna add anything in here. I don't know. Let's add demo 2. So it doesn't really matter what I have, what category I have, because we set the values now based on the value of the card. We're gonna do the example for the category as well. So what it says here, if you have over 36 Over 30, I think you get 8. Let's check it out and see if that's the case. Over 30, you get 8. Okay. Um, right. Um, so if we want to change anything in here, the system is not going to pick it up. So let's say if we want more, update the cart, and we should get a lot more in there. 60, we should get how many were they? 14. Okay, is that matching? So it's over 40 is gonna get 14. Yeah, so this is the value of the card, okay? So let's say in here we want to set it up for the category. So let's say if you are going to, oh, we didn't add this one, 100, oh, so we have to press save. But anyway, let's edit this one. If it's over 100, okay, and it's from the category of t-shirt. Okay, let's use the same example. If it's over 100 in, not in the card, over 100 from the t-shirt category, okay, you get 40 raffle tickets. Because we are including the category, this value has to look into the category of t-shirt if it's above 100. You get me? It's different from when it's empty. Now we're looking at the value of the cart. Now we're looking at the value of the cart where the value, it's all of them from the t-shirt category. Okay, let's change this one as well to category t-shirt. Okay, so these are the rules. Okay, so now let's go to our okay. So what's gonna happen now? We go home and add from that category and our t-shirt and our raffle tickets should be added up. Okay. So let's go and have a look and try first of all with the cart and the other one with the category. So it says I have 109, okay, and I get 14, okay. It's because I'm on 60. Let's have a look. I'm above. Okay, so which one is gonna take? I think it's gonna take the t-shirt. Is it? Okay. T-shirt. How many do we have? We have 49. So we have 49 of the value, and it's gonna get 14. How many have we got? Uh, 14 is because it's looking at the value of. So the rules are gonna be checked from the lowest to the highest. So the system is gonna go, is this valid? Yes. Is this valid? Yes. Is this valid? Yes. And then it's gonna look into this one, and it's does it belong? If it doesn't, it's gonna stick to this one. If it does pass the rules for this one, it's gonna give 14. Okay, because we now have in the cart we have 60, but I have 49, and the rules that apply is this one. Okay, we're not gonna get we get 14. Right, so let's get to 40. So if we want to get to 40, let's add another t-shirt from the same category. I go to this one here, and I'm gonna say, give me 10. So if I add that to cart, we should have how many? 14, 50, 49. Oh, we have 15, 49, 99. Oh, no, 99. We want to get 100. So now we're going to get 40, all right? Because this is the rules that we set it up in here. My advice is to, use different promotions to have based on the value and based on the category. That's my advice. If you mix them up, I mean, I think it can confuse your customers, all right? If you keep them on the same rules from the cart or from the category, I think it's going to be totally different. It's going to be clearer and the message is there, okay? So this is how it's gonna work, all right? So if I'm gonna go and buy those tickets, they're gonna be generated as normally as a raffle ticket. It's gonna be embedded in the email. It's going to be displayed in the thank you page. If you want to use the PDF, it's going to be added in PDF. It's all working normally as a normal raffle. Okay, if I try to manipulate this part here, if I want to delete this part, the raffle tickets is going to be updated. The user has no control over my over your promotional raffle product. Okay, so if I'm going to undo, it's going to get back to 40. They cannot delete it if they want to delete it. Oh, this is another thing that we have to look at. If they try to delete it, is the promotional raffle you cannot. Okay, the reason is that displayed is gonna be in here. Uh, right, where is picking up? Is picking it up from right. If you want to display a message, uh, this is a message. You cannot you cannot delete promo raffle ticket and delete or update raffle ticket. Yeah, and save, and that's gonna happen. Okay, at this point, right, our raffle is what's it demo? Um, our raffle now, right? Um, so let's give another example. This is not the right message. Okay, I think I'm gonna look into that and fix it. But it should be picking up the message from that promotional raffle. Okay. Um, So now let's have a look at one thing. The thing is with this one, all right? So let's say you have in your promotion, you are selling the raffle tickets, okay? So you're gonna get to a point where I set up to 100, all right, in here. So we get to a point where we have only 20 raffle tickets left, okay? But in our cart is going to be more than 20 raffle tickets, it's gonna be 40. Okay, so what's gonna happen in that case? In that case, is going to be we're going to limit them and say we have only X amount of raffle tickets left. Okay, we can give you more. Okay, you get my point? So this is what the message is gonna say. Only 20 raffle tickets left for this raffle product. You can change that message as way you like. Okay, so hear me out. You're not gonna give to the customer more than you actually set up. So if you have 100 or like 500 raffle tickets for that promotional raffle, if the last person that comes in, only 20 are available, they're not gonna get more than that. So it's the same as as the normal raffle. And I advise you to actually set up the messages picked up by user messages in here. So you have to set up update cart only raffle tickets left for this promotional this promotional raffle product. Okay, if I'm gonna save it and get back, all right. So the raffle is not gonna, even though I have lots of, I meet the criteria of the rules to get more, I'm not allowed to get more because this is gonna not allow me. Okay. Uh, all right. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I would say this is how you limit it. I'm gonna look into that message. It should be displayed the message that is set up for the promotion in here. Um, you can run multiple promotions if you like. So if you can, I update this one, but I have t-shirt as well. You can activate it. Oh, it's picking up from here. So you can activate it and run multiple promotions with different categories with anything like that. So this one is only for t-shirt as well. So it's not really that great to have two of them at same category. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is pretty much it. Remember, you set up the raffle. Um, First of all, you have to have the shop set up. Um, if you don't have it set up, it's not gonna. Okay, in here, if you have products and you have categories and the products are not linked to the categories, uh, this part here is not going to be displayed. Okay, it's not going to pick up any categories. The categories that are displayed here are the categories that are linked to products. If you have a category that is linked to no products, it's not going to be displayed. Okay. So you have to have your shop ready. I think most of you probably, if you try this, you're going to have it set up ready, up and running. For products, remember, please, it has to be free. The promotional raffle has to be free, no charge, zero, and raffle tickets, promotional product. Yeah, set up as one, connect to the raffle, um, and don't send inventory here. If you're gonna set it in here, I do some checks as well, but it's best to keep it with the raffle. The raffle has to do all these checks and everything. Okay. Again, if you want to display, I don't know, countdowns or anything like that, or you can pretty much do it. You can set up, you can show the countdown in the product page or in the cart, or show progress as well. It's all working the same. There is no difference from the other one. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Um, okay, this is the promotional raffle. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any suggestions, drop me an email at developer@tasco.com. See you later. Bye.